नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण वर्ग 8, 9, 10 ची सेतू चाचणी 1 व 2 सोडवलेली आहे. ते व्हिडिओ बघितला नसेल तर त्याची लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये दिलेली आहे. आणि तुम्ही जर आमच्या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर आत्ताच आमचे चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा आणि नवीन इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळवित राहा. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण सेतू चाचणी क्रमांक 3 वर्ग 8वा विज्ञान विषयाची सेमी इंग्लिश माध्यमातून सोडवणार आहोत. याकरिता 30 मार्क आहे आणि ही टेस्ट ऍक्टिव्हिटी शीट 1 ते 24 यावर आधारित आहे. लेट्स स्टार्ट. Read the instruction carefully before solving the paper. The question number 1 A. Complete the statement by using the right option. It have 3 marks. First question. The frequency of audible sound is. The answer is A. 20 Hz to 2000 Hz. Second question. To avoid sprouting, potatoes are exposed to. The answer is C. Radiation. 3 question. The chemical symbol of calcium is. Answer is A. Ca. Question 1b. Write the answer of following question. It have 3 marks. One question. Identify the constellation shown in the accompanying figure. Here a figure is showing a constellation and the answer of this answer is Vrushchik or Scorpio. Second, solve the puzzle. First option is an ingredient derived from a petroleum. Second is the main component of natural gas. The answer of the ingredient derived from petroleum is kerosene. The main component of natural gas is methane. In this way we solve the puzzle. Kerosene, methane. Question 3. Write the example of natural detergent or disinfectant. The answer is soap nut, that is Ritha, and soap pod, that is Shikekai. Question number 2. Write the answer of the following question. Any 6, it have 12 marks. Question 1. Why does this happen? The sun appear red at sunrise or sunset. The answer is sunlight reaches us through the layer of atmosphere. At a sunrise or sunset, the light reaching us travel a greater distance through the atmosphere. Due to greater distance, there is no scattering of blue color. As a result, the red-yellow light reaches as directly and the sun appear red. Red light is scattered less than the blue light. Hence, the sun appear red at sunrise or sunset. Question 2. Draw a vertical intersection of hibiscus flower and label its part. Answer is, we have to draw such a type of vertical intersection of hibiscus flower and their name are ovary, pedicel, calyx, filament, anther, style, stigma and corolla. In this way you have to draw a diagram. Question number 3. Write the scientific name of animal shown in the picture using binomial nomenclature, genus and species. Here we have given a diagram of cow and binomial name of cow is genus Bos and species Taurus. Question 4. How many constellations does a one season have if classified according to the season? It is said that in the rainy season the sun enters the Muga Nakshatra. What does it mean? The answer is 9 constellations does a one season have if classified according to the season. It is said that In the rainy season, the sun enters the Mruga Nakshatra, means Mruga Nakshatra rises at 7th or 8th June in rainy season. Question 5. What are the important components of toothpaste? What are their function? The answer is, the important ingredient of the toothpaste are calcium carbonate and calcium hydrogen phosphate. This substance remove the dirt from the teeth. They also help to polish the teeth. Fluoride is also added to the toothpaste. This prevent the tooth decay. Fluoride make the enamel of teeth strong. Question 6. Under which different type can the following changes be classified? We have given two types of changes, dissolving and second is a meteor striking across the sky. The answer is dissolving. This change come under physical, useful, fast, irreversible, non-periodic changes. A meteor striking across the sky and the changes are natural, non-periodic, irreversible, fast, harmful changes. Question 7. Which muscle contract and relax while lifting a heavy object from the ground? The answer is skeletal muscle contract and relax while lifting a heavy object from the ground. Question 8. If a person swim 100 meter in the first 40 seconds, crosses 80 meter in the next 40 seconds and crosses 45 meter in the last 20 seconds, find the average speed. The answer is, to find the average speed we have to calculate total distance travel and total time, and total distance travels is equal to 100 meter plus 80 meter plus 45 meter, and its addition is 225 meter, and the total time is equal to 40 second plus 40 second plus 20 second is equal to 100 second. To find a average speed we have to write a formula, and the formula of average speed is equal to total distance travel upon total time. After putting total distance and total time, we get an answer of average speed is 2.25 meter per second. Question number 3. Write the answer of the following question any 4. It have 12 marks. And the question number 1 is, explain the properties of magnetic force line with the help of a suitable diagram. Here we draw a magnetic line of force with the help of diagram. We have to write its property. The answer is, the magnetic line of force are imaginary connecting lines. Second point, magnetic line of force always run from the north pole to the south pole. Point 3, magnetic line of force are in a state of tension like a stretch spring. Point 4, magnetic line of force repel each other. And last, point 5, magnetic line of force do not intersect each other. Question 2, complete the following table. Here we have given a table, compound, molecular formula and name of the constituent element. The answer is, first compound we have given sulfuric acid, its molecular formula H2SO4. Name of the constituent in the element are hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Second is washing soda, that is sodium carbonate, its molecular formula Na2CO3 and the name of the constituent sodium, carbon, oxygen. Next compound is sugar and its molecular formula and the name of constituent element are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Question 3. Write the medicinal uses of basil, amla and neem. The uses are: basil used in a cough and cold, it kill bacteria and fungi. Amla. It is a rich source of vitamin C, increases immunity and also used in indigestion. Neem. It is used in skin infection and used as an antiseptic. Question 4. Complete the following table. The table is nutrition, plant and animal. The T diagram we have to complete. Plant, autotrophic, heterotrophic, symbiotic. Animal, holozoic, saprozoic, parasitic. Heterotrophic are also classified as insectivorous, saprophytic, and parasite are also classified as ectoparasitic and endoparasitic. Question 5. What is fermentation? What change occur in the substance during this action? And name the substances produced by the fermentation in our daily life. The answer is, definition of fermentation is the chemical process of conversion of one type of carbon compound into another type of carbon compound by the action of microorganism is called fermentation. And what changes in the substance? The answer of this is heat is generated in this process and carbon dioxide and some other gases are released. These gases causes an increase in volume. Yogurt, alcohol, bread from the flour, acetic acid, nitric acid, lactic acid, vitamin, antibiotic are the substances produced by fermentation in our daily life. In this way we solve test number 3 of subject science of class 8